Hi, Mark here, Managing Director of All My Systems, helping companies grow by sorting out their business systems properly. On this episode of AMS TV, I've got a big tyre and I want to talk to you about training and training on the systems in your business, specifically for your users. Now, we cannot underestimate the importance of training to make sure that our systems are working as productively as possible and our users are happy with how they're using the system in their day-to-day lives. Now, what does this have to do with tyres? A lot. So if your tyre on your car isn't performing as it should be, perhaps it's a little bit flat, then that actually reduces the performance of your car overall. It doesn't matter that the other three tyres are actually performing at the top rate. If one of them isn't, you don't want to be going at the same speed on the motorway. It's not safe. And the level of performance of your business is brought down to the level of training of the lowest person in your business. And if that's lower than you want it to be, your data's not going to be as good as it should be. Your reports aren't going to be as good as they should be. So what does that really kind of mean on a regular basis for making sure that we keep on top of our training agenda? Training should be tailored to the individual and make sure that we cater for the needs of the person's role when we're delivering training. So salespeople should be on some sales training. They shouldn't potentially be on admin training or finance training. Your finance administrator should be on some finance training about how to deal with invoices in the system, for example. So really make sure that you assess the needs of your users and tailor the training courses appropriately. You wouldn't stick a huge wheel like this on a little mini metro, would you? It's just not the right fit. So tailor the courses accordingly. Then try and break things down into bite-sized sessions. Don't overwhelm the staff. If you do too much at the one time, people forget it. You need to do things regularly and reinforce them with consistent training and communication so that people are always on top of what the latest practice is, and that should come directly from you or your training team, if you like. And the training team are a really key part of this, because your training team could be actually qualified or people who've done training previously, but also it could actually be down to subject matter experts in your teams. So whether they're kind of power users of the system or really IT or tech savvy people, or just someone who can actually really take people on a journey when they're learning how to use a system. Take advantage of those advocates in your business and have them provide training for your users, because the more you do that, the better the response will be, and then people can have that kind of support and training on tap whenever they need it. Finally, show them the bigger picture. So when training people and you're training them on why they're using the system, really focus on that why. What's it doing for the business? What's it doing for them? Make it relevant. Help them understand that by inputting this data, you're going to produce this report, which makes us more profitable or more successful in terms of customer service as a business. So I hope that's useful. I hope the tyre analogy helps, and we'll see you on the next AMS TV. Bye for now.